Sister Jack.
How do you feel about that, sister?
Well, my sister used to be my brother, but then my brother JK guys, he's still in the closet.
We left there. Now we're heading down to the beach. What do you gotta say, girly? Cool. Yeah, you're in the vlog.
This year. Had a good lunch over there. But they're not planning to around noon or so. But anyway, there were only 8 of us today, but it feels very good.
Y'all come back and see
We'll
us.
do it. Thank you.
Y'all have a beautiful day.
All right. Parts of Asia that are black.
This conversation.
Like if you're from South America, which is like where the black culture like originated, basically, is like they're black. They aren't African American.
Jack, don't record.
I'm not. Vlog. We here.
Get out of my face, okay? I know you like me, but you can't be in my face.
It's not funny. I'm already sunburnt.
Aroma, we know.
Those type. Oh, man, you're gonna give me copyright. So we're here in the elevator with my sister. I really have to pee. What do you have to say? Too far, honey. Yo guys, I'm uploading the video. Go watch it right now, baby. We in here. Yo Hannah, how's it feel to be back? It's gonna be every day. Yo, look at. We out here. We out here. If you don't say we're out here, then I don't know what is. Look at that. It's perfect. So right now I'm walking down to the beach, and yeah, it feels pretty good. Got all my stuff, got my camera, I always kept my camera. This week's gonna be lit. Oh, my video's taking forever, so hold on, someone's right here. No, they're not. Okay, I'll see you when I get down there. Oh yeah. What's up, people? I'm back in the pool and the beach, all that fun stuff. And now I'm just chilling. I'm in here by myself, I'm pretty sure. All empty. Then got out here. Oh, copyright. You have Hannah in the wild. Then you got her. Yeah. You got Hannah walking up. Yeah, get a towel. Put it around you for protection. Walk up. Oh crap. I'm not gonna see him. Hey. Look at him. He's getting cute. Guys, I lied. Okay. YouTube video yesterday just went out right now. Go like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm making mine right now, so they'll come out every day. 50 subscribers. Going strong. There's a new video. I got knocked out. Go watch it.
Hello.
So, Hannah,
Sorry.
introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Hannah Bullock. I'm 17 years old and my favorite color is yellow.
That's kind of weird. So, how did you get here?
I got here by an automobile. It was a vehicle and it was a 2014 Honda CR-V in like this dark gray metallic color. I came with my family,
Which includes?
my father, my mother, and my sister Jack.
And how do you feel about that, sister?
Well, my sister used to be my brother, but then my brother JK guys, he's still in the closet. But he's a very strange little boy.
So, how's your relationships with the boys?
I'm a strong, independent woman, and I don't need no man.
Sure. Okay. So, how many friends approximately do you have right now?
Approximately I have 0 friends. But I'm okay with that, because I'm a strong, independent woman, and I
I'm your friend.
don't need no friends.
I'm your friend.
Everyone's fake these days.
I'm not fake.
Wait until you get into the real world to find your true buds.
Okay. Okay, big question.
Yeah.
Where is the rest of our people?
You know, I really have no idea.
What's so funny?
Sorry.
Question.
Alright.
On a scale from 1 to 2, how do you like the beach?
I think on a scale of 1 and 2 from the beach, I would add that 1 and 2 together to combine to make it 3. Then I would multiply that 3 by 14. And so that would give me approximately 42. And I just really like the beach.
Obviously, if you're wearing overalls. So, okay, we do not need to advertise for that.
Forever 21, this is a size 26. Not like, but like...
Forever 21 is not sponsored by this, by the way. So, 2 more questions.
Alright,
Next to the last question.
you said 2 more.
next to last question.
Okay.
What's your favorite food?
Well, I work at Greek Guys restaurant. I have not eaten there actually. Actually, I have. But I don't know why I just said that because that's not my favorite food. My favorite food would have to be Ben & Jerry's Cherry Garcia ice cream.
It's not a food.
Ice cream is a food.
Oh. Okay. Final question.
Why did somebody just screenshot?
Final question.
Yes.
If there's a sea of lava below this balcony, and all you had to do was jump, because a shark was chasing after you, right here. And there's a floor of lava.
Approximation: a shark would not survive in lava.
The shark was coming through here with water. It was flooding.
Okay.
Water was just coming through here, and the lava's down there. What would you do? Would you jump?
Jump onto that roof.
Ooh, smart. You're very smart.
Yeah.
Okay, so currently we're heading down to the beach, and my camera is about to die.
No, it's not.
Gotta go back. Because it's about to die. Yeah. Okay, so I got batteries, and we're about to go back out there. Guys, I haven't really vlogged the past couple hours. Really fun. Got in the pool. There's Hannah. There's Hannah. She doesn't have any clothes on. And yeah, so I'm not gonna end it right here. So don't leave. Beauregard. Woohoo! That's spicy. That's spicy. That's nicey. Ocean's over there. Lights over here, pool over here, Hannah's right there, man right there. Can't see you. How about now? Ooh. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah. In the morning, I'm gonna get up, go for a run on the beach by myself. I'll vlog that, don't worry, I'll vlog everything. It's day 1 of 7. Go watch my last video, which was yesterday. About to edit the one today, so I'm about to edit this video, the one I'm doing right now, so yeah. And like and subscribe, and it is currently 11:11. Make a wish guys. 11:11. And shout out to these 3 people for Snapchatting me: Josh, Kirsten, and Audra. Bye bye.